Done being a welcome mat, they decided to land on a part. So much at once that they screamed into quiet parts. Destroy the story, write yourself another one. Just make your way back to the start. Done being a welcome mat, they decided to land on a part. So much at once that they screamed into quiet parts. They said, aren't we all Pavlov stop, waiting on a bell for love? They kissed like an iceberg sinks a ship. Never hurt themselves, somehow that wasn't obvious. Thought maybe I could stop it, but I moved too quick. Got between them and then I felt it stick. Remarkably quiet for the damage it did. They whispered, I thought you wanted this. I thought you wanted this. I thought you wanted this. Aren't we all have lost all, waiting on a bell for love? Just waiting on a bell for love. Just waiting on a bell for. Aren't we all have lost all, waiting on a bell for love? Just waiting on a bell for love. Just waiting on a bell for love. Here comes the quiet part, baby. It's your cue to yell, and we said, aren't we all Pavlov stop, waiting on a bell for love?
Thank you for coming to my world.